Alright, update on UMA. So the last video we made for this coin, we were up here at $11 and we drew this micro fib, and I said basically every time we have this mad volume coming in, we do normally fall off the table. In most scenarios when we do fall off the table, we at least come down and test the 618 or the 786. So if we do zoom in to where we are now, you can see we predicted that if we have topped, we said specifically, I do think that we are near a top, and if we haven't topped, I would at least like to see a retest of the 618 and a strong push up. Number one, we have seen a retest of the 618 and we did have a good push up, but do bear in mind this was thwarted down with lots of selling volume. So right now, this coin looks fairly neutral, mainly because it is above the 618. So from a technical perspective, this coin is still bullish. From a RSI perspective, looking at the other technicals, in my opinion, this token or this coin has topped out, because every time we do kind of poke our head above the 70 or we do come up to 70, it is literally every single time it's the all-time high in the short term, and we do roll over after doing that. So in my opinion, like I said in the last video, I wouldn't be buying when the RSI is like at 74. I personally, I'm a person who buys coins and tokens when the RSI comes down to 30, unless they're Bitcoin. But for altcoins specifically, I do like to buy when the RSI is heavily oversold. This token or this coin right now is heavily overbought right now, in my opinion. The RSI is so high up, and in my opinion, I'm not saying that we can't have another push up, but I am saying if we do have a push up, I don't believe that we would be going to the moon. I think we'd probably be having maybe another 25% push up. This would bring us back to the 618. If we did have a rejection from that 618, I believe we would be coming all the way down to $4 again, probably putting in new lows, at which point. And yeah, I mean that's pretty much all I see for the token. The number one thing I want you to take away from this is I'm not buying it. I'm sitting on the sidelines. This isn't really the token that I would want to buy. There are other altcoins that I believe have better risk-adjusted returns, and considering this basically went from 33 on the RSI to 75 in 2 days, I'm staying a million and one miles away from it. I wouldn't even allocate like 0.1% of my portfolio to this. But always do what's best for you. This is just personally what I'm doing in the market. You don't have to follow me. I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't recommend that you follow me anyway. But yeah, this is just what I'm doing in the market. Personally, I'm not touching this coin. If we were going to have bullish continuation, I'd like to see more green volume stepping in, and to not finish today on a big doji candle with basically a gravestone doji that's been pushed all the way down here. So that's basically all I see for this token. Once again, I do believe that this token has topped out in the short term. If I'm wrong, I imagine the top is probably around $16. So in my opinion, the risk-adjusted returns of this token just aren't really worth it to me. So that's all I see for UMA. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.